Such a gorgeous pixie style to start off the video. This one does feature some beautiful baby bangs going there in the front, longer sideburns on the side, and an overall gorgeous shape and texture throughout. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are once again going to be checking out some hair transformations. So for the next style, we have someone getting a hairstyle very unique. Now this looks like a cross between a mohawk and a mullet. It does feature a soft reddish tone, some baby bangs going there in the front, and of course the shaven sides. So there is a close-up of that style, a very rocker chic hair. And then we have a major hair transformation. So she does start off with dark black hair. The stylist cuts the hair down into more of like a shoulder length, lob or mid-length cuts. Now he is going to be adding in some color with this one. Look at all those stylists doing the hair. Now the hair is being heavily processed and lightened for this transformation, and that is because she did start off with dark black hair and wanted to go lighter. So she went with the beige blonde trend in the shoulder length lob style. She still has the bangs going there in the front, but this color is absolutely stunning. Beautifully done. Next up, we have someone getting a nice cut refresh. Stylist does a nice pixie here. Lots of volume within this pixie too, and it also features some bangs. And once again, this particular pixie does play on that longer sideburn trend that we're seeing heavily circulating around right now. Very nice. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.